So now it's time to do some maintenance on the big 406 Fluval, and in the process using the wastewater to seed the Fluval 107. So let's get started. So right now the filter is running, so we're going to come in here and turn the power off to it. And there's a switch hiding in here, so that's off. Now we'll come back over to the filter. Move stuff out of the way. There you go. So now the first thing you want to do is turn the water off. That's the stopper. And then the next thing you do is pop this up. And it's kind of hard to do one-handed. And now you just unlock it and then keep pushing. And now it is completely unlocked. Then you can undo the latches and pull the motor up. Now there's going to be quite a bit of water coming out. And now I'll bring this over to the sink. So this is heavy, so you'll have to join me at the sink. And now we're at the sink. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the pre-filters. This holds all your schmoo and all your stuff that gets sucked up through the intakes. Backside is usually not too bad. Now, I'm going to go through the chambers. Now for this filter, I'm also going to do some changes. I'm going to use Purigen and I'm going to use some Matrix in here. So there's, on my, like I mentioned in an earlier video, one of my cartridges and trays is empty all the time. Then my next tray is the specialty media, which holds my polishing pad. You can tell they work good. We're going to rinse that. This one. So these are old bags of Chemi-Pure. These are going to go in the trash. They've done their purpose. They've been in service for probably almost 2 years, so they're well beyond their expiration date. So they're just one big bio bag now, where we're gonna squeeze them out to get all the good stuff out of them. And then I have my pre-filters for the specialty stuff. Rinse them out. And it's all full of fish schmoo. And then next up are my bio remedies. So I'm not going to do anything with these. Just set them off to the side. And then the final chamber in there is the biofoam. Now I'm going to take these out, and they're all full of schmoo, and we're going to clean them right in the aquarium water, right here. They don't have to be perfect. Chemi peers. Give them a good rinse in. Set that off to the side. The other bag. Get some extra shmoo in there. I'm going to rinse the pre-filters too in here. So I want all this good stuff to go into the 107. Them two are going to just leave. So now we got all the magic nectar in there for the 107. So I'm going to take a pause right here and get you set up to see the new filter.